Hi friends, welcome to Webcam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Microsoft developer account so that you can use various Microsoft services. Okay, so Microsoft has Office Suite for Office 365, right? Microsoft has Office 365. So these products you can use for free for 90 days only by joining Microsoft developer program. So you don't need to pay the cost if you register from here, or if you click on this try for one month and all. Okay, so you will get a trial for 30 days only. But if you join Microsoft developer program, that we can say that developer program, okay, or dev center. So you are supposed to come here on this site. On this page you need to click on join now. Okay, the moment you say join now, it will try to pick, but you are supposed to say create new account. Then I will say yes, create new one. This will redirect to the account creation page. Okay, and you can say get new. I will say WC1 or WC. Okay, let me say webcam by Brahma. Okay, so let me try with this email ID if I can get yes, and I can get this email ID. Okay, Outlook account will get created. You are supposed to enter the password and click on next. This will set up your account, email account. But for that, you need to do some kind of verification as a human being. Okay. So what they are looking for, they want me to match this pattern 3 times square boxes like this. You can find and you can say submit. 3 questions you are supposed to solve. Okay, and I want these 3. Yes, I will say. And one more times it is asking. Okay, so 4 of this. Okay, right. So this completes my verification. Now your email will get created and you can join the Microsoft developer account and you will get access to all Microsoft product for 30 days. You can select region as per your interest. Okay, I will say region is India and the company name can be anything. Okay, I will say just pressure and I accept. I would like to have, and I will say next. Okay, for personal projects, and you can select everything here. What areas you are interested. I am interested in Power Platform. If you want to use Outlook for personal, you can use, but this is free only for 90 days. Okay, and say save. Say save. So don't select the configurable sandbox and all. You can select instant sandbox. So I will go here and you can see that you will get a subscription for okay, you will get a subscription for this 90 days. Okay, only. And so what you can do, you can say next. Here it will ask you few details. You are supposed to select your nearest data center. I will select Asia specific. Then I will say admin. Okay, admin I cannot say, but I can say webcam by Brahma. Okay. On next line, whatever the password you would like to enter, you can enter. Okay, same password you are supposed to enter on below line to confirm. Okay, if you want to tick this box, you can tick and create another credentials for the other users, or same credentials can be used by other persons if you want to share your access services access. Okay, so here it will prompt for your mobile number, whatever the number you have, you can use, but make sure that that number it should not be already used for this purpose. So I will use my number and I will get a OTP, okay, and I will verify that OTP. Let me try, okay, and I will say 9665. Okay, let me verify my numbers. Once you will get a code on your number, once you enter the code, it will just you have to enter your mobile number and say okay. So you will get a message 648. And the moment you enter the code, it will allow you to click on setup. So you are supposed to say setup. Okay. It will take few minutes to set up your joining account. And then you can use Power BI service on online services also. You can publish your reports. You can use Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automates by creating this account for free for 90 days. Okay. And within 90 days, you are supposed to delete your account. Otherwise, it will get automatically renewed. So this will take some time for 5 minutes or maybe more than that. You need to wait for this. So once the setup done, this kind of screen you will see on your screen. And okay, what you can do, you can click on go to subscription. You can enter the password. And sign in. Okay. So, okay. Say later. Just, and you will see this kind of screen. You will be redirected to my office.com. You are supposed to use the Power BI service from here, Power Apps from here. So what you can do, you can go to apps. Okay, here you will have an option for Power BI. If you click on this, you will see there is a Power BI service portal. Stay logged in. Yes. So this is what a portal. So as a tenant, you got an access. So you can use Power BI service online, and you can create workspaces and everything. Like you get an access for pro users. Okay, like here, if you click, you can see license type is pro. License type is pro, and you can publish your dashboards, and you can view and you can share those dashboards from this place. Apart from this, you can use Power Apps and Power Automates also. So let me show you. Power Automate is there. Yes, it is there. So you can use Power Automate platform also. And but it's just asking for authentication. To set up authentication, you can set up authentication so that every time it will verify whenever you are trying to log in on the new device. So Power Automate, you can select your country name. I will select mine country and I will say get started. Okay, so you can create data flow automations by using Power Automate. Okay. So another thing is that I would like to show you power. So let me say power apps. Okay, let me search for that. And no, this is not the correct one. But if I go to app, all apps, yes, you can create your power apps also. Okay, it is just asking you for setup authentication method. You can click on next and setup so that you will get access OTP on your screen and all. So these kinds of here you can create power apps and all. Okay, every time it will ask. So I will say India and okay. So not required to set up as of now. Those so I will say skip. Okay, so this is about creating Microsoft developer account so that you can use all the Microsoft services for free for 90 days only. Okay, not more than that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Enjoy your learning.